Guys, it's calling everyone here in Daisy Hill. She's announcing herself. This is a girl that likes to, announce herself when she arrives and when she leaves. She goes to people's houses and calls them out. Like I was driving and there is someone here in Daisy Hill that has a toilet outside in the garden. And as I was driving, I saw Petunia calling the guy from the window of the toilet. And then eventually the guy came out and he was running quickly to get some food and feed her. And I just thought, that's unreal. And that's Panchito there. Hi, Pancho. That's Petunia. She's coming. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.